What make a man brave a blizzard, kill in cold blood? I'm sure I don't know. You'd be surprised what a man would do. You starting to see pictures, ain't you? Got room for one more?
I ain't too anxious to be handing out rides.
Real trusting fella, huh?
Not so much.
Ain't no way I'm spending a couple of nights under a roof with somebody I don't know who they are. So who are you? Okay, everybody, hear this. I'm taking this woman to hang. Reward's $10,000. That money's mine, boys.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Hold on! You think I'm in cahoots with that fella or her?
That's my problem, boy. I don't know. One of them fellas will kill everybody in here.
Now we're talking.
Let's slow it down. Let's slow it way down.
When you get to hell, tell them Daisy sent you.
You gon' die now?
No one said this job's supposed to be easy.
Nobody said it's supposed to be that hard, neither.